Hey folks, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased product analysis. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Today, we're delving into the Dyson 360 Vis Nav, a robotic vacuum cleaner. But does it truly live up to the Dyson reputation? Let's dive in. Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the Dyson 360 Vis Nav, a robotic vacuum cleaner that claims to pack some serious power. Let's explore if it truly justifies its high price tag. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav boasts impressive suction power and a unique D-shaped body that excels at cleaning room edges. It's even equipped with an automatic side duct for enhanced edge cleaning. However, its navigation isn't as intuitive as some competitors, occasionally stopping mid-clean. The dust map in the My Dyson app can also be confusing, showing dirt in places already cleaned. The battery life of the Vis Nav is a bit of a mixed bag. While it manages 47 minutes in auto mode, boost mode only delivers around 15 minutes, which might not be enough for larger spaces. The design features Dyson's signature aesthetics, including a 360 camera for visual navigation and a unique side duct that extends automatically to tackle edges. The My Dyson app offers scheduling, map creation, and other features. However, navigation can be a bit perplexing, with the robot occasionally stopping and starting mid-clean. It's worth noting that Dyson plans to address these issues through firmware updates. Now, let's talk about the price. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav comes in at $2,399 Australian dollars, which is around $1,635 or £1,250. While it excels in dirt pickup, it lacks mopping and self-emptying capabilities. Considering its premium cost, it faces tough competition from more versatile models like the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and Ecovacs Dbot Omni X1. To wrap it up, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav offers strong suction and unique features like the automatic side duct. While it's efficient at edge cleaning, its navigation can be puzzling at times. Its battery life might not suffice for larger spaces, and the price tag is undeniably steep. For now, it's only available in Australia, with no confirmed release date for other markets. That's a wrap on the Dyson 360 Vis Nav review, brought to you by Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more unbiased reviews that help you make informed choices. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.